I'm creating a short little video clip of a intranet website for 55 plus communities that I started working on. And basically the definition of an intranet is a web portal where you have to be a registered user in order to see it, so you have to log in order to see or be able to work within the intranet. So I'm going to log in, and then we'll talk a little bit about the pieces. And it's very simple intranet website, but I just wanted to show a few things. So this is, I'm logging in. And this is the landing page inside on the intranet. And basically I've made it very simple. And these are links on that, in the text on the landing page, where you can get to the most useful information right off without worrying about going too far. Also at the top I have the menus links, and the first one I'm going to click on is events, and this is actually an API or application interface to a Google Calendar, and the reason you use a Google Calendar is because it's easier to make quick updates or adjustments or corrections or deletions for a real-time calendar. I do have other calendar applications and stuff that are used mainly for highlighting specific events, adding more detail to them, those things like that, which I haven't put on here yet, but I can. So this is a Google Calendar basically linked through an API. And the next link is message board. And the message board is a forum or a way of getting threaded conversations in a way that you can kind of connect on a topic. And I can pick this first one. I just put these in here as demo. And I'll pick pickleball. And pickleball, you can add a topic to it. But if somebody has already added a topic, then you can reply to that topic. You can subscribe to this topic. So it's pretty flexible. And all the areas, all the other links for the message board are similar. Ping pong, biking. The next link up here in the menu is is groups. Now this is a lot more targeted, and the targeting for the groups part of it is if you have a collective group of people, a group, and you have a common interest, you can create a group, and you can have conversation or information within that group. Now you can join the group if you're not already a member of the group. If it's a public group, you just join. And if it's a private group, you have to get accepted, and we have moderators that would be, as a role, that would be managing each group. So it's pretty useful for that. The next link is members, and the members link is basically just showing you all of the registered users on the intranet website. Now you can find a listing and then add that listing as a friend for your particular account. Now you can search for members if you don't know, if the list is long. This is only a couple of users just for demo purposes. The next link up here is Become a Teacher. And the reason I have Become a Teacher is because it's the opportunity on this website to share experience, knowledge. If you've been a teacher or you have been an instructor and have a certain skill set that you would like to share and people may be interested in, you can become a teacher on this website. And if you are a teacher on this website, you can create a course, and it's a basic outline for a course. The information about the course itself, how many students are in the course. These are active indicators. How many lessons, the duration of the entire course, whether there are any quizzes, and what level. This one's all levels, so anyone could participate in this, and so you just start the course. So it's ability to share information. Now the next one I have is documentation, which is basically a simple page that contains the documentation that people can look at and download, or they can print and save. But you can also manipulate the viewer so that you can see better or see what's on there. And then there's terms and conditions. But basically this is just a short overview of what a 55 plus community intranet can look like. And I can always also include news feeds, or on local topics and local news, things like that. So there's a lot of ability to manage the growth of this particular type of website. So what I'll do is, hopefully this has been helpful, and I'll just look at adding more things and maybe doing another short video. Thank you. Bye.